Hi friends, if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. For mutton fried rice, following are the ingredients. I'm using 4 cups of rice. I'm going to add oil into this so that the rice is easily separated when I'm trying to mix it. Now I'm going to boil the rice. As you can see, rice is nicely cooked. Now I'm separating it using a fork so that the grain comes out nicely. Now for my fried rice, I'm using the following ingredients here. I'm using a non-stick pan, salt to taste, chili powder. I've got tin mutton. I've got mixed vegetable, onions, oil, seasoning salt, sesame oil, black pepper, spring onions, eggs, ginger garlic paste, and that's my spatula. First I'm going to add oil to this. Then I will be frying onions. I will add seasoning salt to this. With my mixed vegetable, I want my mixed vegetable to be nicely fried, not soft, not because when you have vegetable which is soft, it becomes like a juicy type. I don't like that, so I want it to be nicely fried. I'm adding salt to this and some chili powder, as you can see. If you have ginger powder, you can also add, or garlic powder. It's an option, but I prefer it this way. I'm adding sesame oil to it for aroma, or for the fragrance, you can say. It also enhances the taste. Now I'm adding the seasoning salt. I've got black pepper here. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. You can see the vegetables are frying. Yes, I want the onions to be nicely fried, little brown actually. And you can see that I'm not putting the corn mutton yet because it's already pre-cooked. Now I'm gonna add egg to it. And I will make sure that the egg is also well cooked here with this on this step here. When the egg is cooked nicely, that is when I will be adding my ginger garlic paste, because I don't want the ginger garlic to be sticked onto the eggs. You can see my vegetables are nicely cooked, and so is my eggs. Now I'm adding the corn mutton to it. And I'm gonna fry it until the mutton turns a little brown. As you can see, the mutton is already minced. Into this I'm adding the chili paste, ginger, garlic and chili paste. I'm also going to add a little bit of extra seasoning to it so that the seasoning can go into the meat now. And once the mutton has turned brown, I have added some ginger powder to it. It's an option. If you like it, you can. And if you don't like it, you prefer fresh one, you can go ahead with it. I'm also adding a little bit of butter to it. It's an option. Again, you can cook it in oil, but I wanted to enhance the taste, so I'm adding it. I can understand that the mutton already has a little fat in it. Why add butter? But like I said, I want the food to be tasty, that's why I'm adding it. And I've added the spring onion last because I want spring onion to be crunchy and to maintain its color, which is why. You can add cilantro to this, but I chose spring onion and I didn't like cilantro on this dish. I'm also adding the fresh ginger here for smell or aroma, you can say. Now the meat has been cooked nicely. The next step is to add the rice, and I've already separated the rice, so it's easy to mix with the meat now. And I'm gonna do it slowly so that I don't have chunks. And now you can see that my mutton fried rice is nicely ready. Hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe.